Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everybody. Today, we're sorting the Fiesta out, sorting out the fact that I can't raise it. No, can't drive it. Yeah, because it's too low for the wheels. So we're gonna get it up in the air. I'm gonna crack off all the wheels, adjust the suspension, and hopefully take it for a drive, and maybe even clean it, because I don't know how good the camera's picking this up, but it's absolutely filthy. It needs a good clean. Alright, wheels off. Alright, one wheel off. Oh yeah, there just seems to be quite a lot of play in that. So I might actually need speaker rings. Alright guys, hello, just me. I'm just going to speed all this up by about 100 times speed, basically because it took me, I don't know, probably 2 hours. There's a lot of stuff that you haven't seen, where I cut it all out because I couldn't find tools, blah blah blah. Yeah, basically, sped it all up just to see, well basically this what happens now. Wait, have I snapped a spring? Oh! Oh no! Right, the camera hasn't spotted this yet. I have. I've got a snap spring, look. You can tell these are old, but yeah, snap spring. I'm not gonna lie, that's like perfect excuse to get new coilovers, and I can't do nothing about that. Shit. Well, new coilovers it is. I have to leave the car up on ramp. I don't know how long it will take to get coilovers. Is the other one the same? No, the other one's not snap, but it would explain why only one side of the car was rubbing, which was this side. It's because I've got a snap spring. Fuck's sake. Well, I might as well end the video there, because there's nothing else I can do. Alright, until I get coilovers. B, don't know how long for me, it'll be the next clip for you. Peace. Right, welcome back. Right, we've got some coilovers. Yep. Now we're going to fit them. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Oh, I've left some bits over there. I left a couple of bits over at home. But yeah, right, we're going to crack on. Get wheels off, get everything off, get the new ones on, and get it all sorted. Yeah. Time lapse, I suppose. Right, the ones that we had issues with. Nothing on this. Oh, it was this drop link, which I have got another one of. And it was the bottom bolt on the other side. Just don't know if it's going to be any better now. Probably not. Yeah. Where's me little mount? I'm moving camera mount. It's crazy, isn't it? Wish I had one. New battery in a dream. No, stop whacking my car. That'd be a good idea. God, that rattles. No, nothing. Jesus Christ, that's loud. Woo. Jesus Christ, I can feel the heat coming off that. Let's try and give it a little bit of leverage again. That was movement. That was definitely movement. Right. A lot of force later. There we go. Jesus Christ. Right, what we're going to do, I'm going to pause it there. You don't need to keep seeing this. I'll come back to it when I've dropped it out. And then we'll move on to the rears. And then we can put them on. Sound good? Sounds good. Right, you can't really see from that angle. Right. Wheels are off, everything's disconnected, apart from the drop link properly. Now we're going to take off these 3 bolts on each side. And then we can drop it straight out, we should be all good. Remember, I am not a mechanic. So, I am not a YouTuber either. But, we seem to be doing well. What's that? The fuck's that off? Don't know. Oh, you're right. Nothing that important. There we go. 2 rust there, you can see, look at that. 2 rusty old front coils out. Let's get those drop links out, and then put new ones in, and then we'll go on to the back. I'm not showing you, obviously you know the HSDs, it's not going to show you how shiny newly look yet. So see you soon when those fuckers are out. This shit thing should be fun. Right, after God knows how long and a lot of torture to me and the department, we finally got the old drop ones out. Put new ones in now. I'd like to just have like a transition, just bang. Might do that. Yeah. Then we can move on to the new stuff. Honestly. Well, it's really helpful if you press record when you're doing things. So boom, just like that. Drop links now on. Both sides. I'll crack open that box in a second. That's on now. We'll get these wheels off on the back. Get the back out. Then yeah, so close. So close. I don't even know what time is it. It's nearly 9 o'clock. Sick. I don't know what time I started this. But yeah, let's get cracking. Right, no wonder it said I didn't have any storage. I was on internal. I didn't even realise. Right, get you out. There we go. Crack. There we go. Cracked it. No, that was just a crack and not a snap. No, because if it was a snap, it would just fall out like that. Surely. Unless it's not internal. Where did that go? I'll get that in a second. Pop you on the floor. Out you go, and there we go. You're crusty old sugar out. I'm gonna need to take you out, but you're gonna be a ball ache, aren't you? Ugh. So many things. That one, right. We'll be switching over to the phone at some point. Right. Fucking. What a nightmare, honestly. New springs. Pinning something. New springs going in. The little hole cubby thing there. Mount up there. Yeah. I'm fucked. I was supposed to do this tonight, but I'm doing it. He needs to do it. He's got attacked by a fly. He needs doing. I don't know how long this video is, but I'm going to have to chop it down as much as possible. Yeah. At this rate, you're going to see the finished product because I'm dying. I'm dying. I just need to crack on with it now. See you in the next clip. It's down, but it kind of looks like I'm not stuck for me. I think it's not going down anyway. Well, it ain't gonna roll. That looks way lower than that side does. It's just there. Good old wave. Oh god. That side needs lowering. That side leaves lowering down more. Oh, it's down. About time.